we got a graveyard. This is a graveyard. This is Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, Powerade, lemonade. I forget.
Orange soda.
Orange soda. We're being stared at. Hi, family.
What are you doing? You're making a recording of your lunch?
Yes. Going on YouTube.
Yes. People are very interested in our lives. Orange soda, that's another one.
Yeah, I already said orange soda.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is our graveyard drink.
So at least it's a big ice cream you got there.
Oh yeah. Fine. I'm a professional ice cream swirly thingy. Because I'm just awesome like that.
This place is dying.
Amazing. This is my ice cream and it looks like an artichoke and I love my ice cream. It's amazing. I will eat you.